So in your keyboard you can look at this key. This is the Windows logo key and this is the H key, alphabet H key. So if you press this Windows logo key and this H key, these two keys at the same time in Windows 11, this will be work out only if your device is running on Windows 11. So if your device will be running on Windows 11, then if you press these two keys at the same time, that is I press the Windows logo key and this H key, I press this key, I press the Windows logo key and at the same time I press H key also. These two keys I press at the same time, then you can see that here it comes voice typing, turns your voice into text with Microsoft Online Speech Technology. Select the Mac button to start voice typing and you can turn on. So you'll be needed to connect it to the internet for voice typing to work. So anyway, the shortcut is this Windows logo key and H key. So you must press these two keys if you want to enable this feature by shortcut. Press these two keys at the same time. Thank you.